Uptown Swing.
This is Maddie,
That's Jeremy.
and we teach level 2 here at Uptown Swing.
Tempo month. Today we did a lot of stuff in closed position. We started revisiting those sort of out and ins that we started last week, made them a little bit easier, talked about that out and in, do ba ba, really feeling each other, keeping that out and in movement to keep the connection alive, and then we put it on a turnstile, took it around in a circle, making sure that we feel our partner throughout the whole thing. After that, we talked about jig kicks. We did them solo, where we just did our own footwork, where we went rock, step, jig, jig, rock, step, jig, jig. We talked about we want the pelvis to be the seat of everything that's happening, and everything else can stem from that. And then in partnership, it looked like this. Boop, bop, hey, ha, boop, bop, hey, ha, boop, bop, hey, ha. That's what we did. You did great. See you on the dance floor.